In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your saved Gmail password on your PC or laptop. This is really useful if you've forgotten your password, but your browser still logs you in automatically. Or if you're setting up Gmail on a new device and need to see what password you used. First, make sure you're using the same computer and the same browser where you normally sign into Gmail. This method relies on passwords that your browser has already saved for you. If your browser never saved the password, it won't appear here. On your computer, open your usual browser. I'll describe the process in a way that's very similar across modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, and some others. Look towards the top right corner of the browser window. You should see a menu icon, usually 3 dots or 3 lines. Click that icon to open the main browser menu. From this menu, you want to go into the Settings area. It's often called Settings or Preferences. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new tab or page with a lot of different options for your browser. Inside Settings, look for the section related to privacy, autofill, or passwords. In many browsers, there is a clear option simply called Passwords or Password Manager. Click on that option. This is where the browser stores all the usernames and passwords you've allowed it to save. You'll now see a list of websites, along with the usernames associated with those sites. Scroll through the list, or use the search box at the top of this page and type Gmail or Google. That should filter the list and make your Gmail or Google account entries appear quickly. Once you find the Gmail or Google entry that matches the account you want, look at the row for that entry. You should see your email address or username, and next to it, a password field that is hidden with dots or asterisks. Next to those dots, there is usually an eye icon or a button labeled Show or something similar. Before the browser reveals your password, it will likely ask you to confirm your computer's login, either with your device password, PIN, or fingerprint. This is a security step to make sure it's really you. Enter your device credentials and then confirm. After that, click the eye icon or the Show button again, and your Gmail password will be displayed in plain text. Make sure no one is looking over your shoulder, and avoid recording or sharing that password anywhere unsafe. When you're done, close the Settings tab to keep your information secure.